Manifestation. It's everywhere, right? On social media, in books, in conversations about living your best life. The idea sounds magical. Just focus on your dreams and they'll somehow come true. But let's be real. How many times have you tried to manifest something only to feel like nothing changed? Like you were missing some hidden piece of the puzzle? What if that missing piece isn't magic at all, but science? What if there's a proven way to make manifestation work, grounded in the principles of quantum psychology? What if I told you that the same principles that govern the universe at its most fundamental level could be applied to your own life? Quantum psychology is the science of aligning your mind, emotions, and actions with the unseen laws of existence, enabling you to manifest the life you desire with clarity and precision. This isn't abstract theory. It's a process, a way of thinking and acting that reshapes reality in your favor. Today, we're going to teach you how to apply quantum psychology to manifestation. You'll learn how to master the triad of attention, insight, and action to channel your energy, break free from subconscious roadblocks, and take real strategic steps toward your goals. This isn't about hoping for change. It's about creating it. Stick around, because what you're about to discover could unlock a level of potential you didn't know you had. Let's dive in. Attention is the cornerstone of manifestation. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about learning to wield your focus as a tool to shape reality. Your attention determines what you engage with, and what you engage with determines the possibilities that begin to collapse into your experience. First, prepare your attention. Start by clearing away distractions. Where does your mental energy go during the day? If you're constantly scattered, scrolling through social media, worrying about problems, or multitasking, your focus is being diffused, and so is your power. Take a moment now to recalibrate. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Repeat until you feel present. This is the foundation awareness. Now practice. Identify your desired outcome. What is it you want to manifest? Not in vague terms, but specifically. Don't just say, I want more money. Define it. I want to make $10,000 more this year through my creative work. The clearer you are, the easier it is to direct your attention. Once you've defined your goal, create a mental image of it. Imagine it in vivid detail. What does your life look like when this goal is achieved? How does it feel? Engage all your senses and linger in that vision. Finally, execute. Throughout your day, guard your attention like it's sacred currency. Notice when your thoughts start to drift into worry or distraction, and gently redirect them to your goal. For example, if you're stuck in traffic and find yourself getting frustrated, consciously bring your vision to mind. Reinforce it with affirming thoughts. I am steadily moving toward my goal. The more you practice focused attention, the more your reality begins to align with it. But attention is just the first step. Insight is about diving beneath the surface to understand the forces shaping your current reality. While attention aligns you with what you want, insight clears the obstacles blocking the way. This is where true self-awareness begins. Prepare your insight by getting curious. Ask yourself, what beliefs, habits, or emotions might be holding me back? Often these patterns operate subconsciously, so you'll need to create a space for them to come to light. Take 10 minutes with a journal and write freely about your goal. What excites you about it? What scares you? What do you believe is standing in your way? Write without judgment, and let your deeper truths emerge. Now, practice recognizing patterns. Suppose you want to launch a new business, but find yourself procrastinating. Ask why. Maybe you uncover a fear of failure or a belief that success is reserved for others. Don't stop there. Challenge these patterns. Where did they come from? Are they true? Insight isn't about judgment, it's about clarity. By observing these inner blocks, you start to loosen their grip. Execution comes when you use these insights to shift your energy. For example, if you uncover a fear of failure, reframe it as a natural part of growth. Say to yourself, this fear is just a sign that I'm stepping into something bigger. Pair this shift with action, more on that soon, and you'll start to feel your resistance dissolve. Insight doesn't just remove obstacles, it gives you direction. It shows you the specific steps needed to move forward, making the next phase of the process even more powerful. Manifestation comes to life through action. Without it, attention and insight remain ideas, disconnected from reality. Action is where you take what you've envisioned and learned and bring it into the world, one step at a time. Prepare for action by breaking your goal into manageable steps. Don't overwhelm yourself with the entire mountain. Start with the next foothold. For instance, if your goal is to increase your income, the first step might be researching freelance opportunities, updating your resume, or brainstorming ways to market your skills. Write down one tangible thing you can do today, no matter how small. Practice is about consistency. Take that small action and follow through. When you complete it, celebrate it. Then ask, what's next? Momentum is everything. Each action, no matter how small, builds confidence and reinforces your focus. Remember, action doesn't have to be perfect. The universe rewards effort, not hesitation. Execute with courage. This is where many people falter. They hesitate, waiting for certainty or permission. Stop waiting. If you feel uncertain, take the smallest possible step. Send that email, make that call, create that first draft. Trust that each action sends ripples into the quantum field, drawing opportunities and synchronicities back to you. Attention, insight, and action are not isolated steps. They are a powerful triad, a dynamic cycle that grows stronger with every turn. The more you act, the more clarity you gain. The sharper your insights, the more precise your focus becomes. And as your focus intensifies, your actions naturally align with the future you're creating. Right now, you have everything you need to start transforming your life. Take this moment. Sit quietly, clear your mind, and focus your attention on one clear goal. Reflect on what beliefs, habits, or doubts might be standing in your way. Then, commit to one bold step, no matter how small, that moves you closer to your vision. But here's the truth. This is only the beginning. Manifestation isn't a one-time process. It's a lifelong practice of growth and mastery. You've taken the first step by learning this triad, but the journey is where the real transformation happens. To keep growing. To uncover deeper insights and more advanced techniques, you need to stay connected. The universe responds to consistent effort and aligned action, and so do we. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss the guidance and inspiration that will keep you moving forward. Your dreams are closer than you think, but they need you to keep showing up. Together, we'll help you refine your focus, deepen your insights, and take action with clarity and confidence. The universe is ready. Your future is waiting. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep stepping into the life you were meant to live. Let's make it happen. Subscribe now and let's manifest greatness together.